Hey YouTube, W7 MVP here. Got another kind of information on Teardrop trailers. So I bought manufactured doors, and when I cut the hole in these, I used the inner bracket molding to trace the hole, and I used this edge right here. And when I did that, it makes it a little big. So I just, kind of a tidbit, if you're gonna do this, maybe use this as your pattern, but give yourself a 1/16 of an inch or so to do it. So when I did it, I've got a gap around it and that I'm gonna have to fill in somehow. So I have found my solution. Let's see if I can get this out. And what I did was I put this molding around the outside of the hole. You can see that. It's vinyl weather gasket, and it's 1/4 of an inch. And basically what it does, and it might be a good idea for everybody, this is a 3/4 inch door. And see, you've got this groove in here. I hope you can see this. And what it does is when I put it, it pops on the inside and makes a nice snug fit. So I think if it fit perfectly, or maybe a 1/16 of an inch off or 1/4 inch, I think I would still put this in there because it will smash and it is going to give you some weather protection as far as wind, water, and things like that. But it still doesn't fit it. When I cut, it's this side and this side. I cut and I kind of went out like that on each of them. So I'm gonna have to take this off. I'm gonna fill it with some Bondo and then put this back on. But just wanted to give you a little bit of information on when you're putting these doors in. Just make sure that you measure twice, because even if you go on the outside of this rim, once it goes into there, you've got about a 1/4 inch here, it's going to fall inside. So you need something to take up that, and this 1/4 inch gasket or weather stripping does a really good job. I bought this at Home Depot. You can get a Home Depot, Lowe's. This package, 17 foot. I need 20 foot, so I had to buy two, but they're $3.50, $4 a package, so it's cheap. So it's one of those things that you want to do. It goes in nice. I just used a staple gun, put it around there. Like I said, I'm going to pull this off, put some Bondo in there, let it dry, put it back on. And then when I put this on, there is a rubber gasket here, but I'm going to go ahead and probably put some caulking on at least. I think I should, because I just don't want it leaking. But then again, I think maybe this trough in here is, if it does leak, it leaks down and goes out this side. I did put the gasket, so this side is out. So if it does leak, the water will come around, hit here, hit this part of the gasket, and go out of my trailer. If I did it this way, it would come in, it would come inside my trailer. Whether that's the right way to do it or not, I don't know. I'm just trying to kind of think this through. I hope this helps. This probably have questions about doors. I can't remember where I bought these. It might have been Teardrop Supply. They're expensive, $350 a piece. I weighed it, what I wanted to do when I thought about how much hitches cost. My woodworking ability is horrible and my detail work is horrible, as you can probably see on this whole thing. I knew I would probably end up spending $200 per door, and then them not fit, and them be awful, and I'd be upset. I bit the bullet, bought these. I think if I had to do it again, I would have just bought one and put one on the passenger side. I bought two though. I'll probably be happy, so that way my wife can get in and out, and I can get in and out from our sides. Hope this helps. If you got any comments, I appreciate them. Really, I'll be done. I read the comments, but please comment for other people out there so they can learn from our mistakes or our successes, it's greatly appreciated. I found it's hard to find a lot of information on this. So y'all, I appreciate it. Subscribe if you get a chance. Watch my other videos, and I'll try to make more of these as I progress. 47 W7 MVP 73s. I will talk to y'all later. Thank you.